So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a DIY drip irrigation. Yeah? So I found a piece of pipe, put a wine bottle cork on the end, and then I put some holes, but actually nothing came out initially, so I didn't do it deep enough. So the trick is I found a place where we often put water, but the water was just going, just here, just giving the one tree water, which was more than it needed. So I moved this, I guess Amazon plant or something in here. And I know this is not the best connection, but it's sufficient for the moment. Now this pipe is taking the water at a higher pressure.
Hi, Louis.
Hi. And then when it was at much higher pressure, then I was able to just push the knife in, and after the knife I pushed it closed a bit again, that it's a bit dripping. Let me show you what I mean. When you take, let's see if I can do it with my feet. Yeah, it's still recording, great. So when you take a hole, you press it deep enough, then the water comes, but maybe you don't want it to be so much, so if you just press it down again, it becomes just a drip. So again, like that, it's a spray, but if you just press it, it becomes a drip. So yeah, so now the next plan is, because I'm a bit lazy, I don't want to be here every day, to put a timer over here, so this will fill up the basin maybe in the summer every 2 days, because it's a bit crazy. So maybe 2 minutes of water on a timer, or 5 minutes, I'm not sure. No, probably only 2 minutes to fill this up. And then we've automated some of this, because especially this guy needs more space. Needs a lot more space, and also a lot more water, because he's been like reaching out over all of this. So I'm gonna give a nice water piece right there. Let's see if we can do it while filming. I can probably even do it while filming, yeah. Just like that. Let's not cut my finger on camera. Let's cut a pipe. Yeah, that should be sufficient. Just check it again. No, so it needs to go a bit deeper, much deeper than you think it needs to. Just to hold the knife at the handle, not on the... Come on. Yeah, there, as soon as you hear the sound, air, then you've got your drip hole. So now, this, hopefully, this peppermint will be nice for some peppermint tea. And I'm gonna make another one for that guy over there. So yeah, so that is how to make your own mini drip irrigation system from water that you're already wasting somehow. Enjoy. We can change the world with our own 2 hands, sometimes a knife, and plastic. PVC.